Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how you can build this type of website and you can share that with your mother on the eve of Happy Mother's Day. So first it's going to show you this beautiful heart animation, and then as you scroll down it's going to show you this beautiful letter. So as you click on this letter, it's going to give you a very sweet message to your mom. And after that, Happy Mother's Day. So very cute one. So this is one of the website that I have created. Another website is this one. So here we have created a game. First it's going to show you how special your mom is, and then there is a game. So this is a memory match game. So your mom need to find all the correct flowers. So see, there is a match. So there's Queen, and as she finishes that game, you are amazing mom. Continue celebrating. Then there is another game called Word of Love. So she need to click on these letters to get the word tender. Similarly, she need to play this game flower. Brave, a word that perfectly describes every mother. So nice, isn't it? And then a letter for mom. You can again customize this fully. And finally some secret gifts for your mom. So as you click on any of the gift, it's going to show a beautiful message like this for each and every single gift with very cute animation, you can see. Right. So this entire source code for this project is available on our Geeky Script GitHub account. So you need to land over here on our official Geeky Script GitHub account. Then you need to switch to this project called Happy Mother's Day. Again, I'm going to provide that link on our video description. You need to go to this index.html, and this is the entire source code for this project. That is this one. And you can easily deploy that on age 1 pages that I have showed you again on my previous videos. So you can watch this video to know how to deploy that. Very easy steps. Another project that I have created is this. It has a very beautiful heart animation, you can see. So as you refresh this, you can see the beautiful animation. And then this animated letter for mom as well. So to get the source code of this project, you can go to our Geeky Script Buy Me a Coffee page. So here you will get this project Happy Mother's Day. You can see the link as well. It is properly deployed over here. So to get this project, you need to just purchase it, and once you purchase, you are going to get this project with the detailed source code. And if you only want the heart animation, then you can also purchase using this link. So this is only heart, and this project is for Mother's Day only. So that's basically all about this video. Please do share this website with your mom and make this Mother's Day a really memorable one. Alright. So yeah, so thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.